Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a neck air conditioner by RANVOO. This is the AICE Lite 2025 version. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a neck air conditioner, the user manual, and USB-C charging cable. Briefly going over some specs, this comes in two colors, white and blue. It has a 6000 mAh battery, cooling that has a range of 61 degrees to 86 degrees, heating with a range of 104 degrees to 122, a wind speed of 2.3 meters per second, charging time of 3 hours, noise level between 32 to 58 decibels, and it has app integration. Looking at the unit, it feels fairly light, and it does open up a bit so it could accommodate various neck sizes. You have some branding on the right side, and you have the air intake grill on the back. There's more branding on the left side. In the top, you can see the air outlets all around. The controls are on the left side. And you also have the LED display so you can see the different modes. At the bottom right, you have the USB-C charge port. And on the inside of the band, you have the cooling and heating plates. It weighs in at roughly 525 grams. Turning it on, you can see the mode on the left side. Right now it's on the fan mode level 1, and you can toggle it up to level 3. Pressing the mode button will switch it to the heat mode, and this also has 3 levels. Another press will bring it into the auto mode. And a final press, you get the cooling, which also has 3 levels. It has app integration, and once you're connected, you'll be able to see the battery level, adjust and toggle the various modes from cooling, heating, fan, auto, and low power mode. You can also adjust the temperature by pressing the plus or minus button or moving the slider. When you adjust the settings from the controls on the band, you will also see it update in the app, as I went through the 3 levels for each of the modes earlier. Now let's see how loud it gets. I have my decibel meter on the right hand side, and I'll start from the low setting all the way to the high. As mentioned earlier, this has the cooling and heating elements on the inside. So rather than just the fans, it takes it to another level. Let's take some measurements. Right now, with it off, the temperature is about 71 to 72 degrees. I'll crank up the heat on the heat mode, and let's see the temperature go up. Okay, right now we're seeing about 85 to 86, 87. So the temperature is moving up fairly quickly here. Okay, we're hitting about 89 to 90 degrees. So you get the idea, the heating does work. Now I'll drop the temperature to the cooling mode. Let's see how fast it cools down. I stopped it at about 92 degrees in the heat mode. Now we're down to 76, 77. All right, down to 70, 72, 69 degrees, and you can feel the plates. It's definitely getting cold. Alright, a few seconds later, we're down to about 59, 61, so we're reaching the desired temperature. And again, the plates are very cold now. Alright, so I just have the Ace Lite on right now. Very easy to put on, and it's adjustable, as you can see. So you just want to put it around your neck and just close it a little bit. And it's on the cooling mode right now with the fan on, let me check the app here, about 70%. And I have the temperature set at 61 degrees. I can feel the temperature on the cooling elements, the plates. It's very cold, so it's doing its job right now. So this is how it looks when you have it on. And it's not cumbersome, it's very comfortable, not too heavy. You barely feel it around your neck. And I'm going to turn up the fan right now. Again, it's on the about 70% with the wind speed. I'm going to turn it up to 100. Hopefully the microphone can pick up the sound. When you do have the fan at a 100%, you do hear the noise, but it's tolerable, and it's doing its job right now. It's cooling my neck. So my thoughts on the RANVOO AICE Lite cooling neckband. Definitely worth it in my opinion, unlike your other neckbands that you see. Just pretty much just blows the air, the ambient air around you, but this one has that cooling element, so it takes it to the next level. And I think this is going to be very useful in those hot summers if you live in a warm climate, or if you do a lot of work indoors where the temperature can get very hot. So if you're looking for something to cool you down in those warm scenarios, check out the AICE Lite by RANVOO. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.